All right, so my name's John.
Matt,
I'm
nice to meet
researching
you.
James Jackson channel,
James Jackson
YouTube.
channel.
So,
Nice to meet you.
where do you think martial arts came from?
Korea.
All right,
It originated in Korea into Japan.
all right, so, what do you think of sacred morality and honor?
Honor is the respect for the art. Honor is the respect for the art, for the martial arts, throughout all the aspects and everything that you learn. Morality, you learn it for yourself. You want to do it because you want to pretty much self-discipline, and when you have discipline, it comes with a lot of things. Respecting the art, not using it forcefully against any other individual. You learn it because you want to, and if you don't respect that, and you don't honor that, then it is a disrespect to martial arts. And I think it's very highly gradual if you want to be the person and be a humble person. You got to be humble. You got to be a very humble person, because if you're not, and you're violent, you're gonna disrespect the art. And that's what I got to say about morality and honor.
So, I'll ask you one question. I'll edit this part out if you want. I feel like I know how you feel about humility. You know how there's been sneaky, like, secret societies with martial arts, whether it's different ninja clans, yakuza. There's some people who aren't playing, who want their martial art to be respected first and foremost, right?
Right.
You know what I mean? How do you feel about people cheating people out of their rightful place and leveraging their mafia or their government commitment?
Let me stop you right there. There's an art called ninjutsu, and there is such a thing, and that originated in Japan from the Japanese. There is I would say there's a monastery of certain people that have higher, I would say, aspects in the art, with weapons. Ninjutsu is a very sneaky concept of the art, and to be into that culture, and you learn, and if you learn from that, it's a good culture. But I think there's no difference, and there's no higher power of any art. You learn what you learn, but anybody, I say anybody, is gonna either go past it or abide by it. And if you don't abide by anything, and if you don't honor the martial arts or the art that you choose to go into, you're not gonna go forward. You're not gonna go forward. But I'd say that I can tell you right now that everything that I've done would be something supplemental and in different kind of ways, that what I learned and why I learned different martial arts, why I learned the different arts, because there's defense, there's offense, there's a lot of things. I mean, there's I have honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I have pretty fast hands, and the Aikido is coming in close, and it's fighting. It's me coming towards you and me fighting within your space. Other than that,
show us some moves.
Other than that, I like to say that honor. You honor what you learn. Morality, like I said, is going to be what you got taught for yourself. Self-discipline, you discipline yourself and you stick by that. You don't go. Like I said, you don't go use that what you learn from your dojo or your instructor, because if that ever happened, you can just not like pretty much basically say, you know what, I don't honor this and this and that, and get in trouble. You know what I mean? So for kids out there that are using that, God bless and keep it up.
One more question. One quick question.
And I can do it. You know what I'm saying? I can do it.
It's the man right here. Don't mess with him.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't mess with him. If he don't knock you out, I will. You understand me? If he don't knock you out, I will. You understand me? Your boy got you.
I'll do it. But other than that, like I said, you go in there. You go in there wanting to do it. You don't go in there wanting to use it. You go in there because you want to do it and for yourself. But other than that, my interview's done. And
well, one quick question: which one do you prefer, samurai or ninja? If any, you don't have to choose. You can just say
samurai or ninja.
Yeah.
Samurai.
All right, yes sir, yes sir. All right, me too, me too.